Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. If you're holding Dogecoin on Coinbase Wallet and want to move it to a more secure Tangem Wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First off, why transfer? Tangem wallets offer better security with offline storage, which is perfect for protecting your crypto from online threats. But before we dive in, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need Dogecoin in your Coinbase account and your Tangem Wallet app installed and ready. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and log in securely. Head over to your portfolio and select Dogecoin from your assets list. Step 2. Tap on the Dogecoin you want to transfer. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually right there on the screen. Step 3. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you wish to send. Be precise and double-check your balance to avoid any surprises. Step 4. Now, for the key part, input the Tangem wallet address. Open your Tangem app, go to the Receive section, and copy the address or scan the QR code directly into Coinbase. This minimizes errors. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Check the address, amount, and any network fees. Crypto transfers are final, so accuracy is crucial. Step 6. Hit Confirm to send the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and it might take a few minutes to an hour for it to appear in your Tangem wallet, depending on the Dogecoin network. One quick tip. Always use a secure internet connection and enable two-factor authentication on both wallets. If you encounter any issues, like delays or errors, refer to the official Coinbase or Tangem support pages. There you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from Coinbase to Tangem Wallet in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.